Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, then welcome. Today I am very happy to take part in a 10-minute tidy up collaboration with some other wonderful YouTube mommies, and you can find that playlist linked down below in the description box. So after you watch mine, if you'd like to see some more, which I would, go check them out and see their 10-minute tidy up videos. So really quickly, 10 minutes is not long, okay? There's not a whole lot you can get done in 10 minutes. Luckily, my children are at school. I'm babysitting the little boy that we watch, but he's eating his snack and lunch in his high chair. So I'm gonna show you kind of an overview of what I plan on picking up in that 10 minutes, and then I will start my alarm and get to it. Over here in the living room, we've got kind of a mess. My daughter left some of her art supplies out here. We've got some clothes, remotes, iPads, blankets, laptop. I do need to vacuum the rug. Over here, before school this morning, our daughter was doing some arts and crafts, so this needs to be taken care of. And then over here in the kitchen counter bar area, bar counter, you can see there's just a lot of miscellaneous. I need to kind of clean up our camera stuff. I've got a scale and printer. I had some eBay packages that needed to go out. If I have time, I will unload the dishwasher because this is clean and I didn't get time to do it this morning, and load this up. But I don't know how long or how much I can get done in that 10 minutes. So let's take a look and see. Okay, so my time was up. This is what I got done in the kitchen. I did organize this a little bit. I was able to put the dishes away. I cleaned out the sink. These were the few hand wash ones. I was able to straighten up the bar counter, got my shipping stuff kind of all in one area. Our water bottles are still up here because we use them consistently. This is a stack of papers that are things I'm currently dealing with. Alice's birthday money, coupons, etc. The living room looks much better. The rug is vacuumed. I just have to put the vacuum away. But all the blankets and stuff are put away. And then the kitchen table looks much better. This is a little stack of her current artwork that she's just made today, so I'm not ready to file or toss it yet. But that's what I was able to accomplish in 10 minutes. It was actually more than I thought, and it wasn't that bad. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the other contributors to this collaboration for the 10-minute tidy up down below in the description box, and let them know that I sent you. Thanks so much. Until next time, I will see you later. Bye.